So, what's really driving up auto insurance rates in 2025, and what can you do about it? At Trailstone Insurance, we've got the inside scoop and the tools to keep you protected without breaking the bank. So, stick around to find out how we're helping drivers like you save money. Hi, I'm Tia from Trailstone Insurance Group, and with over 2,900 five-star Google reviews, we pride ourselves on being a trusted partner for drivers. So by working with 40 plus A-rated insurance companies, we find you the best price about 99% of the time. So let's dive into what's ahead for auto insurance in 2025 and how we can help you save. Auto insurance rates are climbing in 2025, and there are several reasons why. Rising repair costs, increased claim frequencies, and new technology in vehicles are just a few of the factors at play. At Trailstone Insurance, we have direct access to insights from top carriers like Progressive, Allstate, and National General. This helps us identify trends and adjust our recommendations to ensure you're getting the best coverage at the best price. So here's what you need to know. The average auto insurance premium in 2025 has surged to over $2,500 annually, which is up about 26% since 2023. Why is that? Well, inflation, higher repair costs, and more frequent claims are driving these increases. Even if you're a safe driver, these external factors are impacting your rates. Remember, we shop your policies for you with more than 40 insurance carriers, and there is not a cost to use our service. Usage-based insurance, or UBI for short, is gaining major popularity. These programs use telematics to monitor your driving habits like speed, braking, and mileage, and it adjusts your premium accordingly. So safe drivers could see significant savings, while riskier behaviors might lead to higher rates. And telematics isn't for everyone, but we'll help you find the right program if you're looking for those savings. Advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAs, and electric vehicles, or EVs, are making cars safer, but they're also making repairs more expensive. For instance, replacing a bumper on a car with sensors can cost probably 3 times as much as a standard bumper replacement. So when buying a new car, reach out to us to help you identify vehicles with the most affordable insurance options. And many states, including Utah, are revising minimum liability coverage requirements for 2025. So for example, Utah's new minimum limits will increase to $30,000 per person, $65,000 per accident, and $25,000 for property damage. And these changes are designed to provide better financial protection, but they could also result in higher premiums for drivers. And with premiums rising, more people are shopping around for better deals. Did you know that about 52% of drivers shop for a new policy in 2024? And this trend is expected to grow in 2025. So working with Trailstone means we'll compare policies from 40 A-rated companies to find you the best price and coverage. With our educational approach and simple to understand advice, we make it easy for you to choose confidently. So if you're a cautious driver, enrolling in a usage-based insurance program could reward you with lower premiums, but we'll help you identify the best options for your habits. All right, avoiding accidents and violations remains one of the most effective ways to keep your insurance costs in check. Trailstone is more than an insurance agency. We're your advocate. With over 2,900 five-star Google reviews, our customers trust us to provide exceptional service and unbeatable value. Don't let rising auto insurance rates overwhelm you. Contact Trailstone Insurance Group today to review your policy, explore new options, and lock in the best rates for 2025. With access to 40 A-rated companies and a commitment to saving you money, we're here to make your insurance experience stress-free.